Tony, I will see you next time. Thank you so much for coming out. And eating. Glad to see you ate all your breakfast. Yes, sir. He's back in his bed. He just had breakfast. And he just paced, so he just had breakfast and then he paced a little, which is a normal thing.
Poor guy gotta be up in here like this. I'm not like, I don't like that. Something of this magnitude, you can't cage that up.
Are you from Louisiana?
Huh?
Are you from Louisiana?
No, I'm from LA.
Ooh.
I'm all over the bubble.
What are you hauling?
Reefer.
Reefers?
We're reefer. Refrigerator.
I know, I was being funny.
I know you were. I was trying to redirect.
I know what a reefer is.
Yeah, reefer.
Refrigerator truck.
Refrigerator truck. Oh man, you gonna come out of there.
So you don't know his story?
No. God.
Well, they're trying to get him out of here.
Yeah, they need to. This is just too much. There's no vegetation.
It's in the legal system.
Yeah, it should be.
It is.
And I'd get my vote and let him go.
Well, he's 12 years old. The Animal Legal Defense Fund is having another hearing February 3rd. The owner of the truck stop does not want to let him go, so he keeps filing these appeals. He has 3 lawsuits against the state of Louisiana. He wants to overturn the law of private ownership. It's illegal.
It's illegal. See, it should fall up under endangered species laws. Okay?
Right.
And endangered species, you got your alligators, habitat, you got your freaking sharks, all that stuff. Those are, you tigers, that's the jungle. It belongs in the freaking world, man. I mean, open. Look at it. It don't even have anything resembling of a jungle. It's like a penitentiary.
It is.
Freaking gates.
You've seen movies of those in the jail. They just go in circles and circles.
Yeah.
That's what he does.
Yeah.
Well, they're trying to get him to release to be sanctuary. He wouldn't survive out in the wild. He's never been in the wild. This is the only life he ever had. But he needs to get into a sanctuary away from the public and away from all this noise and toxic fumes.
If he had, you can adapt him. It's like a late bloomer.
Well,
okay.
This guy never put anything in here. Not a tree, branch, nothing.
There's nothing.
He didn't put the tire in there until the legal system started, and then he painted purple and gold.
Yeah, but you gotta have trees where he can climb, things he can be on top of.
He has no enrichment activities.
None.
The pacing is abnormal behavior.
This is really, I gotta show my friend what it is. It's caged up. It's a freaking joint. Wow. Unbelievable. My buddies are not gonna believe this.
Check this neon sign out.
Tiger.
Tiger. Flashes. It's a lure. He's a sideshow attraction. Get people off that busy interstate. How far away do you think that interstate is? Football field, maybe? 100 yards, if that. He has to listen to the noise.
All that.
Of the interstate, the noise of the trucks. All that. What a life, huh? Prison. So they want to at least let him spend out the rest of his life in peace.
How old is he?
He's 12.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
Tigers don't like to be around humans and all these tourists.
They don't like to be around none of this.
So they want to get him out of here and put him in a place where nobody gets to see him, in a sanctuary that has enrichment activities, that has the trees and everything you mentioned. It's in the legal system. It's been in the legal system for 2 years.
Well, I hope he wins. You take care. I gotta run.
I gotta run too. Thank you so much. Be careful. Be careful. Don't get caught with those reefers. opinion. You gonna take your nap now? Okay. Thank you so much, Tony, for coming out. Thank you so very, very, very much. I'm going to say bye-bye, and I will see you next time. Remember, to the people, I was here December 13th, all day long. He did not come out, so I must have missed something. Stayed till dark. Okay, Tony, I love you. We're all rooting for you, trying to get you to a better place. I love you. Have a good day, Tony. Until next time.